Welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be doing a Valentine's themed cookie. It is another recipe from Cannele over at My Preppy Kitchen. It's super simple to make. If you want the recipe, go over to his channel. I've linked it up in the thingy above, so click that if you want the recipe. And let's just get right into it. Whip your butter and sugar till it's light and fluffy. Make sure to periodically scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl, including the paddle attachment. Once the butter and sugar is light and fluffy, add in the eggs and the vanilla extract. Next, weigh out and sift the flour, cornstarch, and salt, then add it to the mixer bowl till it's combined. Remove the dough from the bowl and plastic wrap it into a rectangular shape. Refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This will allow the butter to solidify and make it easier to roll the dough out. A few hours later or the next day, unwrap your dough and dust the work surface and the dough off with flour. Roll them out to a 1/4 inch thickness. Try your best to maintain a rectangular shape. Since it's Valentine's themed, I used a heart-shaped cookie cutter and pressed them out. Remove the scraps and knead them together as needed to use all of the dough. Place the cookies on a cookie sheet and bake off at 375 degrees for 15 to 19 minutes. Halfway through the baking process, be sure to rotate the cookie sheets like I'm doing here, top to bottom and front to back. This ensures more even cooking. For the royal icing, I took 2 pounds of powdered sugar and added egg whites till it was a pipeable consistency. I started off with a little egg whites and then I added more as needed. I divided my icing into 6 separate bowls. While you color the icing, make sure to cover the bowls with damp paper towels to make sure the icing doesn't dry out. The 2 consistencies of icing I'm using are stiff and runny. At this point, the stiff icing is already made except for the coloring. To get a runny consistency, add more egg whites till it's a loose consistency. The stiff icing is for piping and the borders and the decorating, and the runny icing is for filling the cookies. Using the stiff icing in a piping bag, pipe around the edge of the cookie to create a dam for the runny icing. Once the border is piped, switch to the runny icing and flood the cookie with the icing. Make sure to go back over and fill in any of the gaps. Allow the cookie to set up overnight before you move on to the next step of decorating. A good resource for Valentine's sugar cookie decorating is Pinterest. A ton of pins can be generated and inspire you. Just remember to have fun with it. It's just cookie decorating. There you have it. Valentine's Day sugar cookies. Not too difficult to make. End up making it. Go ahead and tag me at Christina Just Tried on Instagram. Hope to see you next week and have a good one. Bye. Bye-bye.